Hello guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I'm here to discuss on Moonstack Revenge Tokens IGO on one of the most popular IDO platform, which is OX Bulls. So the first step, we can go to the whitelisting contest page link. There are 800 winners totally, in which 400 winners are guaranteed winners who are referring the maximum people, and the rest 400 are for random lucky winners, which is based on the lucky lottery. The first step is you need to follow the project's Twitter account, and the second step is that you need to quote retweet the tweet provided by them. Just hit a like on the tweet, just simply retweet, then hit on the quote retweet button, type something like great project, good project, or great project work, like that way something, and just post the tweet. Now we can come back to the giveaway page. They are asking for the quote retweet link, but you need to actually provide only the the Twitter username. The third step is that you need to join the project's Telegram channel. Hit on the follow button. You can come back to the giveaway page. Just enter your Telegram username. For new users, the Telegram username is one which is unique for an account, and it is updated in the settings page of the Telegram. Don't provide your original name, provide your username only. Now we can follow the Telegram group of the project. There's no captcha and all. Just we can go back. Now again enter the Telegram username. The next step is you need to just visit the website of Moonstack Revenge Token. You can go back to the link. Now we need to subscribe the promoters Telegram group also. So just hit the follow button. Come back to the giveaway page. Again enter your Telegram username. The next step is that you need to just visit the FB page of the project. You can better like and follow them. Sorry, I was already following them. So again just hit the follow button. Come back to the giveaway page. The next step is that you need to vote the token in CoinSniper. So in order to vote, you need to have a CoinSniper account. You can just create it with your mail ID. Just log in if you are having an account. Otherwise, just register a new account if you are not having. It will take only 2 minutes. After that, just add the token to the watch list. Just solve the CAPTCHA and click on the voting button. In every 24 hours you can vote. You need to at least vote one time for eligibility for that point. And the final step is that you need to enter your Binance Smart Chain address. You can get it from Trust Wallet or any popular wallets like MetaMask, SafePal. Just copy the address, enter it in the page. and submit the task. Now you can see the winners list and everything here. With that, I conclude this airdrop. For more airdrops, please keep subscribing our Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.